Practical activity 8.44, 8.54 graphs and charts. Copy the graph monthly sales to 2015. Open word processor. Select option to paste. Ensure that the link option is selected. Save document. Change some of the data in the monthly sales worksheet. Save the spreadsheet and reopen it. Okay, so it's a very typical thing. I'll just tell you. All you have to do is you just will to copy this, go into Word, so it's an automatic updating process thing, and you're going to simply paste special and we'll paste a link, office graphic object, right? So you're going to save it as browse, and we can just save it, let's say, in any particular location. I'll just save it, let's say, over here. Okay. Yeah. Right. So actually, obviously, if you make some changes over here, let's just make this 2. Let's make this 3. So you see it's different. Now, if I come here, you would see it's automatically changing. Okay. So even if you close and open it, automatically it will change.